Good morning everyone. Today we will learn one programming that is based on scanner class. Basically this is starting from class 8 only, but class 9th also as a revision you can do this programming. First you write the question not mentioned by me. The question is what? Write a program to find the SI, simple interest. Okay, now what is the formula for the simple interest? The simple interest formula is what? P into R into T, principal into rate into time divided by 100. Correct now? So that you have to find out. The question is what? Again I am repeating. The question is write a program to find the simple interest. So for that you need to input three things. First is the principal, second is the rate, and third one is the time. Correct now? So let's start the programming. So if you see, the first thing is that is package import java dot, this is not io, this is util dot asterisk. So util is the package which is basically used for what? Scanner class. Correct now? Util is the package which is basically used for scanner class. So this is the package declaration. Then we declared the class. The class name is ABC. Then main function, public static void main string args. Thereafter the scanner sc. Now what is sc? This sc is the object. This sc is the object, and this object is there, and then printing statement system.out.println. So we are printing a message that is enter the value of PRT. If you want you can write, I am writing, see here, if you want you can write enter the value of PRT, enter the value of PRT. So depending upon us only that which type of message we will give. Now the third thing, now we have to input. So three things we have to input. First is P, then R, then T. If you'll see, if you'll notice here that int mentioned by me everywhere. So to input int we have to write what? sc dot next int, sc dot next int, sc dot next int. So all the three things we already, what we did? Input done. Now the time is for calculation. So calculation we have to understand mathematics also. So what is the mathematical formula for the SI? That SI equals to what? P into R into T backslash 100. Now you see this is A by B formation fractional form. So this SI will be what? Double. The SI will be what? Double. So double SI equals to P into R into T by 100. Now this is the calculation part. This is the calculation. This is the calculation part. Now input done, calculation done, then what you have to do? Now we have to print the output. So we are printing system.out.println. We are printing what? SI, because SI containing all the value of P, R and T. So that's why we are printing what? SI. So this is called, this is the portion which is for output. So input done, calculation part done, and then output done. Now I close the body. This is the body of the main function. So I closed over there. This is the open and this is the closing. Now class also, if you will see after class is given by me, so I am going to close this part also. So this is the opening of class body. This is the closing of the class body. So this is the question which you have to practice and you have to write in your computer copy. Correct now? So hopefully you all understood. Now I am going to give you one question as homework. So I am going to give you a homework. Last time one homework given to you, and I am very happy that you all solved the homework, and I promise that I will give you the extra marks, and definitely I will give you the extra marks, and not getting little bit time because of his online classes. So but I will display your names also, those who completed the work. Very thank you and congratulate you all that you all did the homework. I'm very happy for that. So let's see the second homework I'm giving you the same way. The first homework done by you the same way. You have to solve in your copy and you have to you have to comment these all homeworks in the solution you have to comment in my comment box with your name, class and section. So I can give you the marks. So let's see the question. The question is write a program. Write a program to input. I missed that. That is write a program to input. There are three things are there. First one is basic, second one is PF, and third HRA, and one more is that DA. Okay, now four things you have to input. That is basic, PF, HRA and DA. And what you have to find out? You have to find out the gross pay. Correct now? Now what is the formula for the gross pay? I am writing as a hint. That is GP, gross pay. GP means gross pay is equals to basic plus HRA plus what is there? DA plus rest one is what? HRA, DA and one more is there? PF. These all four things. This is the formula for the GP. GP means what? The gross pay. How to find out the gross pay? Gross pay is equals to what? Basic plus HRA plus DA plus PF. This formula you have to use. You have to input all the four things and you have to find out the GP and you have to print. A very simple question I am giving you. In your copy when you will solve, that time you have to write a variable description also. But that is in YouTube comment box. You just solve the question. Even if you want, then you can write the only main function part. Not required. The whole thing not required. Only the part which is belongs to the main function. So thank you everyone. And as I said that I have promised that I will give you marks. Definitely I will give the marks. And your names will be displayed within 2-3 days. Let me give little time because little busy schedule is going on. So sorry for that. But I will definitely print your names. I will display your names, those who will get the marks for the previous video. So this video also the same thing you have to do. So thank you everyone. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.